Now, the Brahmanas texts they were composed to guidance on using Vedic mantras in yajna rituals. They were composed for to provide guidance using Vedic mantras in yajna rituals. Each Veda has independent texts called ब्राह्मणास. तो हर एक वेदास के अलग अलग इंडिपेंडेंट टेक्स्ट है जो उनको हम कहते हैं ब्राह्मणास. नाउ Aranyakas. The Aranyakas consist of reflection of thoughts expressed after meditating with deep concentration in forests or wilderness. Now, at that time, some of the rishis munis goes into the forest that is called as Aranya. So they goes there and sit at one place for 1,000 and they express their thoughts and meditation with deep concentration. So it is called as Aranyakas. The Aranyakas are concerned with accurate performance of yajna rites. So it shows us that it is concerned with the accurate performance of yajna rites. Now Upanishads. The term Upanishad indicates knowledge acquired by sitting at the feet of the teacher. It is related to the teacher. Human beings have always wondered about the events like life and death. We always wondered about the life and death after our life or after death. What will be happen? So we care about these questions. So it is not easy to find the answer to them. The Upanishads discuss such a serious and profound issues. The four Vedas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and the Upanishads were composed over a period of 1,500 years. It is composed over a period of 1,500 years. Now the family system at that time and day-to-day life. At that time, there is a joint family. There was a joint family, and there is a system like head of the family is Grahapati. The head of the family is Grahapati. And पितृचल फैमिली सिस्टम मतलब पितृसत्ता मतलब पितृ जो भी घर में पुरुष है वो उसको प्रधान माना जाता था. तो दिस इज सिस्टम एज पितृचल. लोपमुद्रा, गार्गी and Maitreyi are important Vedic literature. These are some Vedic literature, but later restrictions increased. So some of the restrictions increased upon the women's. That's why the position of women declined in society. Now the houses of the Vedic literature at that time, Vedic period. Now either earthen or metal and दुआब कंस्ट्रक्शंस आल्सो कॉल्ड गृह और शाला. तो ऐसे घर को वहाँ पे क्या बोलते थे कि गृह और शाला. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय दुआब? दुआब मीन्स like these construction of the houses. It is called a dua. Now their diet, wheat, barley and the rice is the main diet of the Vedic periods people. Now here the yava is called barley called as yava, wheat called as godhem and rice called as vrihi. We can see here. Along with this, milk, yogurt, ghee, butter and honey are the main foods. The black gram that is udid and lentil, masoor and sesame and meat also included in the diet. Now the ornaments, the clothes and ornaments. The cotton and woolen garments. That time the people uses woolen garments. So alkals और क्लोथ्स मेड फ्रॉम बार्क्स ऑफ ट्रीज की जो साल हो रहती है उसको हम बार्क्स ऑफ ट्रीज एंड सम ऑफ द एनिमल स्किन्स, इससे कुछ कपड़े वो बनाते थे. द गारमेंट्स ऑफ गोल्ड, ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑफ गोल्ड, flower garlands, strings made of beads, etc. Uses of pendant called a nishk sims. This is nishk sim to have been popular, also used for currency. It is used as a currency. This is used as a currency. Music and instruments. The Samveda played a part in music. हमने देखा था कि Samveda is the founder of music in India. The Samveda played a part in music, singing, playing musical instruments, dance, board games, chariot race, and hunting were the means of recreation. The Veena, शांतनु ये क्रैम्बल्स है, क्रैम्बल्स, कोंच मतलब शंख, एंड परक्यूशन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लाइक डमरू एंड मृदंगा. These are some instruments at that time for the music.